Oh crap, it's tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for southern Shelby County, central Johnson County, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Franklin, or 19 miles south of Indianapolis, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Franklin, New Whiteland, Bargersville, and Marietta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 83 and 95. Interstate 74 between mile markers 113 and 118. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson and Shelby.
This was a missed doubleheader, by the way.